Guys, Snow here, back with another video, and yes guys, it is the 1st of December, the most favourite time of the year, and as you guys all know, when it turns to the 1st of December, you do not get the daily spin, you get the Jamaaliday gift calendar. And I think what you get is pretty cool in here. 1 diamond. Ooh, we get a Jamaaliday backpack. So I guess that's pretty cool. I already got new stuff. Wait, what? Oh, guys, we got a new bundle. Don't know why I didn't notice that before, but Jolly Jamaliday's bundle. Get the season started right with the Jolly Jamaliday's bundle. It comes with 3 animals, the Arctic Wolf, Arctic Fox and Sonalipid, plus a pet ranger with the gingerbread armor, Jamaaliday house, and tons of never before seen gingerbread items. This is actually a bit of a disappointment because most people have already got a Sonalipid, an Arctic Fox and an Arctic Wolf. You can buy the pet ranger at Jamaaliday Jam. You can get the gingerbread house. You can buy the gingerbread armor in the diamond shop. The only good thing about this bundle is the never before seen gingerbread items. But yeah, look, you can get the gingerbread armor. That bundle was a bit of a letdown. Anyway, guys, happy 1st of December, 24 days till Christmas. Not long to go. Well, actually, it's not. It'll probably go really fast, but to some of you, you know. Oh my god, I never knew that. God, the vibrating. Anyway. Yeah, it's pretty cool anyway. Get a Jamaaliday backpack. Oh, I got 2. Wait, what? I have 2? How did I get 2? Did I wait, what? Yeah, well, at least I have 2. No, I guess that's pretty cool. But, let's go see what's new in the diamond shop, because I believe, people have been saying that there is, yes, I'm right, Jamaaliday antlers. I might just buy this version. I won't get, I won't bother getting all of the colours, because what's the point? And, oh guys, we have a snow cloud. Let's get that. That's worth our money. Wages. Oh, no, okay. I was just wondering then. But why don't we just get this snow cloud and we can put it over the snowman family. There we go. Everything's happy. Wait, what happens if you click on it? Oh, nothing. It just snows. It's cool. But yeah, guys, we have got the first Jamaaliday gift. Actually, I probably should be my snow deer for this. It's a special celebration. Oh my god, that bow is really annoying me. Why can't it just stay on the... Maybe I should just move it. You know, if I get rid of this window, put this big... Actually, this is turning out to be rubbish then. I'm joking. We'll figure out a place to put this. If I just put mirror... Okay, you can't put mirror on the top. This... Oh my god, you know. I might fix this, you know. Another day, but really I can't be really bothered to do it now. But I'm also really trying, oh, yeah. Wait, what? I'm really, I remember I did it wrong, I went to go and, wait, what? What was that? I don't know. I mean, I went, but you need to use your referral code. And I just use, I really don't know anymore. I'm so poor. Let's look at me. Oh, I'll call the others on. I can't be able to do it though. But yeah, probably just a quick video. I will be doing videos every single day throughout December. Seems like a bit too much for you guys, but you're gonna have to live with it. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.